Welcome back to Mr. Quiz Rush. In this video, you can guess the Italian Brainrot challenge by 2 emojis. Each answer has 1 point. Comment your points at the end of this video before starting the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting video. Here's the first one. Can you guess this first Italian Brainrot challenge with these 2 emojis? Great, it's Chimpanzini Bananini. Try guess this one. Foxini Pizzarini. Try guess the challenge with this 2 emojis. Lupo Mascarini. Try guess this challenge. Groghini Pastarini. Guess this one. Turtlini Slovrini. Guess the challenge with emojis. Snakeini Lemonini. Try guess this one. Lionini Kingarini. Guess this one. Bozini Shingarini. Try guess this one. Tokopanirini. Guess this emojis. Fishini Splasharini. Try guess this one. Rostini Tomatarini. Can you guess this one? Pigini Gelatini. Guess this one. Scipini Grapparini. Try guess this one. Penguini Colarini. Guess this emojis and guess meme. Pandarini Teatini. Guess this meme by these 2 emojis. Elefanti Trompetini. Try guess this one. Croquaplerini. Try guess this one. Zucchini Splasharini. Guess this second last meme challenge. Olini Pucarini. Guess this last meme by these 2 emojis. Porcini vesparini. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting by sharing this video.